Segment 1. Core centering and diaphragmatic breathing.
Breathe in deeply, expanding your abdomen gently. Now slowly exhale, drawing your belly button inward towards your spine.
Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Rest both hands flat on your lower belly. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Let your belly relax and expand. Breathe out slowly. Gently draw your belly button in and up. Breathe in again. Relax the belly. Breathe out. Draw in gently. Continue this slow breathing at your own pace. Pause. Segment 2. Standing, gentle torso twists. Stand with your knees soft, not locked. Clasp your hands lightly at your chest. Keep your hips facing forward the whole time. Slowly turn your upper body to the right. Return to center. Slowly turn to the left. Return to center. Keep the movement small and slow. Continue at your own pace. Pause.
Begin by slowly reaching your left arm up and over your head, placing your right hand firmly on your hip for support.
Segment 3. Gentle standing side. Reaches. Rest one hand on your hip. Reach your other arm up and slightly overhead. Feel a gentle stretch along your side. Hold for a moment. Lower your arm. Switch sides. Reach up gently. Hold, then lower. Keep breathing normally throughout. Pause.
Sit upright near the front edge of your chair. Grip the sides of the seat for balance. Toward your chest. Gently lower it, tighten your abdominal muscles. Continue this in a controlled motion.
Sit near the front edge of your chair. Hold the sides of the seat for support. Sit up tall. Slowly lift one knee a few inches. Lower it back down. Lift the other knee. Lower it back down. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Continue alternating sides.
Close my eyes and calm descends on me. Take me with you. We soar to infinity. We're going at the speed of light. Bring me higher. You lift my feet up from the ground. I wish upon a shooting star that you make me lighter. And now you hit my heart with the speed of light.
Pause. Segment 5. Seated torso rotations. Stay seated, feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms gently over your chest.
Hear the rhythm of a heartbeat echoing eternity. We will travel 1,000 light years. We soar to
Sit up tall. Slowly rotate your upper body to the right. Return to center. Slowly rotate to the left. Return to center. Keep the movement slow and gentle.
And now you hit my heart with the speed of light.
Pause.
Close my eyes and a calm descends on me. Take me with you. We soar to infinity. We're going at the speed of light. Bring me higher. You lift my feet up from the ground. I wish upon a shooting star that you make me lighter. And now you hit my heart with the speed of light. Hear the rhythm of a heartbeat echoing eternity. We will travel 1,000 light years. We soar to infinity. We're going at the speed of light. Bring me higher. You lift my feet up from the ground. I wish upon a shooting star that you make me lighter. And now you hit my heart with the speed